Welcome to our video exploring the incredible benefits of cloves. In this video, we'll delve into the various ways cloves, a small but mighty spice, can positively impact your health and well-being. From its antioxidant properties to its ability to alleviate toothache, aid in digestion, and even regulate blood sugar levels, cloves offer a myriad of health benefits that have been valued for centuries. Join us as we uncover the science behind cloves and discover how incorporating them into your daily routine can lead to a healthier, happier you. Let's begin our journey into the world of cloves. But before that, I'd like to inform you that if you're looking for a personalized diet plan, I'll leave the link to Custom Keto Diet pinned in the comments. I'm sure it will help you. Now let's go. 1. Support for immune system health. Clove possesses immunomodulatory properties that can help strengthen the immune system and protect the body against infections and diseases. The immune system is responsible for defending the body against pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and also plays a role in eliminating damaged or abnormal cells that may become cancerous. Studies suggest that clove may help modulate immune function by increasing the activity of immune system cells such as macrophages, lymphocytes, and natural killer (NK) cells, which are responsible for identifying and destroying pathogens and abnormal cells. Additionally, clove also possesses antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that can help protect the body against infections and cellular damage caused by free radicals. For example, eugenol, one of the main components of clove, has been studied for its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, which can help prevent infections and reduce inflammation associated with the immune response. Therefore, including clove in the diet can be an effective way to strengthen the immune system and maintain overall health. 2. Increased blood circulation. Clove can help improve blood circulation, thus promoting the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to the body's tissues. Adequate blood circulation is essential for maintaining cardiovascular health, ensuring that blood flows freely throughout the body and reaches all organs and tissues. Eugenol, present in clove, has vasodilatory properties that help relax blood vessels and increase blood flow. This can help reduce blood pressure, prevent blood clot formation, and improve heart function. Additionally, clove can also help improve peripheral circulation by increasing blood flow to the body's extremities, such as hands and feet. This can be especially beneficial for people suffering from conditions that affect peripheral circulation, such as peripheral arterial disease or Raynaud's syndrome. Improving blood circulation can also help promote wound healing, reduce recovery time after injuries and exercises, and enhance athletic performance. 3. Promotes eye health. Clove contains important nutrients for eye health, such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. Vitamin A is essential for visual health, as it plays a crucial role in the formation and maintenance of the retina, the part of the eye responsible for converting light into electrical signals that are sent to the brain. Additionally, vitamin A is necessary for the production of rhodopsin, a light-sensitive pigment found in retinal cells, which is essential for vision in low-light conditions. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes against damage caused by free radicals, thus preventing the development of age-related eye diseases such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A that can be converted into vitamin A by the body, thereby providing an additional supply of vitamin A for eye health. Studies suggest that a diet rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and beta-carotene can help prevent eye diseases and maintain eye health throughout life. Therefore, including clove in the diet can be an effective way to support eye health and prevent vision problems. 4. Promote skin health. Clove possesses antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties that can benefit skin health in various ways. The antioxidants present in clove help protect the skin against damage caused by free radicals, thus preventing premature aging and the development of age-related skin diseases. Additionally, clove also has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and relieve inflammation associated with skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Eugenol, one of the main components of clove, possesses antimicrobial properties that can help fight acne-causing bacteria and other skin infections, thus preventing the development of pimples and other skin problems. Additionally, clove also possesses astringent properties that can help clean pores, reduce oil production, and prevent pore blockage, thus helping to prevent acne formation. Clove can also be used topically as a natural treatment for acne by applying diluted clove oil directly to affected areas to help reduce inflammation, kill bacteria, and accelerate healing. Therefore, including clove in the diet and incorporating it into skincare products can help promote healthy and radiant skin. 5. Antioxidant properties. Clove is a spice with high concentrations of antioxidants, including flavonoids, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and phenolic compounds. Antioxidants are substances that combat free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells and contribute to premature aging and the development of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative diseases. The flavonoids found in cloves, such as quercetin and camphorol, are powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, thus reducing oxidative stress in the body. Additionally, clove is an excellent source of vitamin C, a water-soluble antioxidant that protects cells against damage caused by free radicals in bodily fluids. Vitamin C also regenerates other antioxidants, such as vitamin E, further enhancing its antioxidant capacity. Phenolic compounds, such as eugenol, also contribute to the antioxidant properties of cloves. Eugenol, in particular, has been studied for its antioxidant potential, which can protect cells against oxidative damage. Together, these antioxidants present in cloves help protect the body against damage caused by free radicals, promoting cellular health and reducing the risk of age-related and lifestyle-related diseases. 6. Toothache relief. Clove is widely known for its use in relieving toothache, thanks to its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. The active component responsible for these effects is eugenol, which constitutes the majority of clove essential oil. Eugenol works by blocking pain signals transmitted by nerves to the brain, providing temporary relief from pain. Additionally, eugenol also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation associated with toothache, such as gum inflammation. These combined effects make clove and clove essential oil a popular and effective remedy for toothache relief. Clove oil can be applied directly to the affected tooth or diluted in a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and topically applied to the painful area for immediate relief. 7. Improved digestive health. Clove is valued for its beneficial properties for the digestive system, including its ability to alleviate a variety of gastrointestinal issues such as gas, indigestion, and abdominal cramps. One way clove benefits digestive health is by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes in the gastrointestinal tract. Digestive enzymes are substances that aid in breaking down food into nutrients that can be absorbed by the body. Studies have shown that clove can increase the production of digestive enzymes such as amylase, lipase, and trypsin, thereby improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, clove has carminative properties, meaning it can help reduce gas formation in the digestive tract. This is because clove helps relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, facilitating the passage of gas and reducing the sensation of bloating and abdominal discomfort. Clove also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the lining of the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and relieving symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and inflammatory bowel disease (IBD). 8. Antimicrobial action. Clove is known for its powerful antimicrobial properties, making it effective in combating a variety of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. These antimicrobial properties are primarily attributed to eugenol, one of the main active components of clove. Eugenol has a unique molecular structure that gives it antimicrobial activity, making it capable of fighting pathogens in various ways. Firstly, eugenol can interfere with the cell membrane of microorganisms, causing damage to their integrity and compromising their ability to survive and reproduce. Secondly, eugenol can inhibit the synthesis of essential proteins in microorganisms, preventing their growth and proliferation. Additionally, eugenol can also interfere with the synthesis of DNA and RNA in microorganisms, impairing their ability to replicate and cause infections. These mechanisms of action make eugenol a valuable tool in combating bacterial, viral, and fungal infections, and explain why clove has been widely used in traditional medicine as an effective antimicrobial agent. Clove and clove oil are often used to treat a variety of infections, including dental infections, respiratory infections, and skin infections, among others. However, it's important to note that excessive or prolonged use of clove-containing products can lead to the development of microbial resistance, so it's important to use these products in moderation and as directed by a healthcare professional. 9. Blood sugar regulation. Clove has been studied for its potential role in regulating blood sugar levels, making it an area of special interest for people with diabetes or at risk of developing the disease. Preclinical and clinical studies suggest that clove may help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce insulin resistance, and lower blood glucose levels. These effects are primarily attributed to eugenol, the main active compound in cloves. Eugenol has been shown in animal studies and human cell studies to increase glucose uptake by muscle and adipose cells, improve insulin sensitivity, and increase insulin secretion by the pancreas. Additionally, eugenol may also inhibit glucose production in the liver, thereby reducing the amount of glucose released into the bloodstream. These combined effects help maintain blood sugar levels within a healthy range and may be especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes, where insulin resistance and insufficient insulin production are common. Additionally, clove may also help prevent blood sugar spikes after meals, which is important for controlling blood sugar levels throughout the day. Although more research is needed to fully understand the effects of clove on blood sugar regulation and determine its safe and effective doses, the results so far are promising and suggest that clove may be a useful addition to the arsenal of treatments for diabetes and prediabetes. 10. Improved oral health. Clove is valued for its beneficial properties for oral health and has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of oral conditions, including toothache, gingivitis, and bad breath. These benefits are primarily attributed to eugenol, the main active component of cloves, which exhibits analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. When applied topically to the affected area, eugenol acts as a local anesthetic, reducing the sensation of pain associated with dental problems such as cavities, dental abscesses, and tooth extractions. Additionally, eugenol also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce gum inflammation, a common feature of gingivitis and periodontitis. This can help alleviate swelling, sensitivity, and bleeding of the gums, thus improving oral health. Eugenol also exhibits potent antimicrobial properties that can help fight the bacteria that cause cavities, periodontal disease, and bad breath. It disrupts the cell membrane of bacteria, interfering with their vital functions and leading to their death. This can help prevent the formation of bacterial plaque, the primary cause of cavities and gum diseases, and maintain a clean and healthy mouth. Additionally, clove is also rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and ascorbic acid, vitamin C, which help neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can help prevent damage to mouth tissues, thus reducing the risk of developing oral diseases. 11. Relief of muscle and joint pain. Clove oil is valued for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular remedy for relieving muscle, joint, and rheumatic pains. The main active component of clove oil is eugenol, which has local anesthetic properties that help reduce pain sensation when topically applied to the skin. Eugenol works by blocking pain signals transmitted by nerves to the brain, providing temporary relief from pain. Additionally, eugenol also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation associated with muscle and joint pain, such as arthritis, tendinitis, and bursitis. It inhibits the production of inflammatory mediators such as prostaglandins and leukotrienes, and suppresses the activation of inflammatory cells such as macrophages and lymphocytes. This helps decrease the body's inflammatory response, thus reducing pain and swelling in the affected areas. Clove oil can be applied topically to the skin diluted in a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil, and gently massaged into the painful area for immediate relief. Additionally, clove oil can also be added to warm baths to help relax muscles and relieve pain.